Hey, did you guys see this story here? It says that $600,000 home will soon be $1 million. Can you believe it? And why is that bad? Why is that good? Let's find out. So this guy's been in the business since 2008. He said that he started working in real estate before the 2008 market crash, which he called a big joke, arguing that while prices dipped 20%, they also rebounded and then climbed back up more than 100% in the years that followed. Well, I suppose there's some truth there. I hate to burst your bubble, he said, but there is no bubble and there never will be. Huh, that's pretty wild. He said, I just hate to see people get stuck renting and then can never break out of the cycle because they waited too long. There is so much truth there. If you can get out of renting and get into your own home, even if it's one that's not your forever home, you might want to do it because it's just going to keep getting more and more expensive. So real estate isn't like the stock market. You're not betting on volatility or vibes. You're buying physical stuff, lumber, labor, land, all of which he says will only get more expensive over time. So the counter argument to this apparently is that yes, real estate does tend to move with inflation. It's one of the reasons investors flock to property when the dollar weakens. Tangible assets often hold their value. And yes, the cost of building materials has gone up over the past few years. Lumber prices, for example, nearly tripled during the pandemic. Throw in rising labor costs and housing shortages, and there's no stretch to believe that today's $600,000 home might creep up to $1 million eventually. Probably so. And let's put the nail in the coffin here. Recent data supports the idea that home prices have consistently outpaced inflation in many markets. U.S. home prices have risen nearly 60% since 2019. That's only 6 years, with the median sales price hitting $447,435 in mid-2025. Wow, that's a lot. Even at a moderate annual growth rate of just 6%, a $600,000 home could reach $1 million in about 10 years. Wow, you don't want to miss out. And what happens to prices? Well, this here's from the St. Louis Federal Reserve. And look, over the years, 1965, it goes up and up. And it comes down a little bit, up, comes down a little bit, goes up, comes down a little bit, goes up, comes down a little bit. Do you see a pattern here? Comes down a little bit, goes up. Now it's coming down a little bit. Guess what it's going to do now that it's come down a little bit? It's going to go up, don't you think? Hey, if you want to see some more great videos or get some more great information, just go to www.treasurevalleydave.com.